Our eyes are windows to the world, allowing us to perceive the beauty around us and experience life to its fullest. Yet with the modern lifestyle characterized by excessive screen time, pollution, and poor dietary habits, eye health is often neglected. Fortunately, nature has provided us with an abundance of foods that not only protect our eyes, but also aid in repairing vision. In this video, we will explore 8 such foods that are essential for maintaining healthy eyesight and promoting clear vision. Number 1. Carrots. Let's start with a classic, carrots. Carrots are renowned for their eye-protecting properties due to their high beta-carotene content, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision, particularly in low-light conditions. Additionally, carrots contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD) and cataracts. These antioxidants work by neutralizing harmful free radicals and protecting the delicate tissues of the eyes from oxidative damage. Whether consumed raw, cooked, or juiced, incorporating carrots into your diet can significantly contribute to maintaining healthy eyesight and promoting clear vision. Moreover, carrots are not only beneficial for eye health, but also offer a host of other nutritional benefits, including supporting immune function, promoting healthy skin, and aiding in digestion. Additionally, carrots are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal. Number 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are powerhouse foods for eye health. Packed with nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, these greens act as natural sunblocks, protecting the eyes from harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays. Lutein and zeaxanthin are antioxidants that accumulate in the retina, where they help filter out damaging blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Additionally, leafy greens are rich in vitamins C and E, which further support eye health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. Incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your diet can provide essential nutrients that support overall eye function and contribute to maintaining clear vision as you age. Whether enjoyed in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes, leafy greens are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. Moreover, the high levels of vitamin A in leafy greens promote healthy vision and support the maintenance of the cornea and other eye tissues. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for eye health. These tiny berries are loaded with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that have been shown to improve night vision and protect against retinal damage caused by oxidative stress. Furthermore, blueberries contain vitamin C, which supports the blood vessels in the eyes and reduces the risk of developing glaucoma. The antioxidants present in blueberries help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key contributors to various eye diseases, including macular degeneration and cataracts. Whether enjoyed fresh, frozen, or blended into a smoothie, incorporating blueberries into your diet can help preserve your precious eyesight and promote overall eye health. Additionally, blueberries offer numerous other health benefits, including supporting heart health, improving brain function, and aiding in digestion, making them a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse that offers numerous benefits for eye health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, salmon plays a crucial role in maintaining the structural integrity of the cells in the retina. These fatty acids are essential for supporting overall eye health, reducing the risk of dry eye syndrome, and slowing the progression of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s found in salmon may help alleviate symptoms associated with various eye conditions, such as uveitis and diabetic retinopathy. Including salmon and other oily fish like mackerel and sardines in your diet regularly can provide a significant boost to your eye health. Whether grilled, baked, or broiled, incorporating salmon into your meals is not only delicious, but also a smart choice for maintaining clear vision and promoting optimal eye function. Number 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are not only refreshing, but also excellent for eye health. These fruits are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the blood vessels in the eyes. Vitamin C helps to support the integrity of the eye's connective tissues, including the cornea and blood vessels, reducing the risk of developing cataracts and promoting overall eye function. Additionally, vitamin C aids in the regeneration of other antioxidants like vitamin E, further enhancing their protective effects on the eyes. Including citrus fruits in your diet can provide a significant boost to your eye health, while also supporting your immune system and overall well-being. Whether enjoyed as a snack, added to salads, or squeezed into refreshing juices, citrus fruits are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. Number 6. Almonds. Almonds are not only a tasty snack, but also a nutritional powerhouse for eye health. Packed with vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants, almonds offer multiple benefits for maintaining optimal vision. Vitamin E found in almonds acts as a potent antioxidant, helping to protect the eyes from oxidative damage and reducing the risk of developing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Additionally, almonds contain riboflavin and niacin, two essential vitamins for maintaining proper eye function and reducing the risk of conditions like glaucoma. Incorporating a handful of almonds into your daily diet as a snack or adding them to salads and stir-fries can provide your eyes with the nutrients they need to stay healthy and function at their best. Moreover, almonds offer numerous other health benefits, including supporting heart health, regulating blood sugar levels, and aiding in weight management, making them a smart choice for overall well-being. Number 7. Eggs. Eggs are versatile and nutrient-dense foods that offer a multitude of benefits for eye health. Rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, eggs contain essential antioxidants that accumulate in the retina, helping to shield the eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Additionally, eggs are excellent sources of vitamin D, which has been linked to a reduced risk of developing macular degeneration, along with supporting overall eye health. Moreover, eggs contain zinc, a crucial mineral that plays a pivotal role in maintaining optimal vision and preventing night blindness. Whether boiled, scrambled, or poached, incorporating eggs into your meals can support your eye health while providing a host of other essential nutrients. From promoting muscle growth to supporting brain function, eggs are a nutritious addition to any diet, offering a wide range of health benefits beyond just eye health. Number 8. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, especially the brightly colored ones like red and yellow, are rich in nutrients that promote eye health. These colorful vegetables are packed with vitamin C and beta-carotene, making them excellent choices for supporting optimal vision. Vitamin C helps maintain the blood vessels in the eyes, reducing the risk of developing cataracts and supporting overall eye function. Additionally, beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is essential for good vision, particularly in low light conditions. Furthermore, bell peppers contain zeaxanthin and lutein, two antioxidants that protect the eyes from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration. Whether raw, roasted, or added to salads and stir-fries, bell peppers are a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet that can help preserve your vision and promote overall eye health. Incorporating these 8 foods into your daily diet can go a long way in protecting your eyes and preserving your vision. By nourishing your eyes with nutrient-rich foods like carrots, leafy greens, blueberries, salmon, citrus fruits, almonds, eggs, and bell peppers, you can support their health and function, reducing the risk of age-related eye diseases and maintaining clear vision throughout your life. Remember, a balanced diet rich in a variety of nutrients is key to optimal eye health, so make sure to fill your plate with colorful and nutritious foods for the benefit of your precious eyes. As we conclude this enlightening journey into the world of foods that protect and repair vision, we hope you found the information valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you, so please leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments section below. Your feedback is invaluable to us as we strive to bring you more content aimed at enhancing your well-being and knowledge. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take Take care of your eyes and nourish your body with the goodness nature has to offer.